Welcome back everyone in this Java and DSA series. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So without any delay, let's begin the video. So in the last video, we learned about type conversion and typecasting, how Java automatically and manually converts one data type into another. Now in this video, let's go one step deeper and understand how Java code actually runs. Like what really happens after we click that run button in VS Code. When we write code like this file is saved with the name main.java. This is called our source code, the code we human can read and understand. Now, when we run the code, Java does not directly execute it. First, it uses something called a compiler, specifically Java C, which checks the whole program for any syntax error, like missing semicolon, wrong spelling, etc. If there are no errors, the compiler converts our .java file into a new file called .class. This .class file contains bytecode. Let's take a real life example. Think of it like a translator who converts your English sentence into a universal language that any computer can understand. Now, next step, bytecode execution, JVM. Now, this bytecode is not yet machine code. It is a special format that can run on any system using JVM, Java Virtual Machine. The JVM reads the bytecode and converts it into a machine code, which your computer's processor understands. Again, let's take a real life example. It is like a Java is saying, I will write one language and JVM will handle the rest. That is why Java is called platform independent, because the same code runs on Windows, Mac or Linux. Now let's understand all in short. So here let's see what happens behind the scene. First, we write our code in a file called main.java. That's our source code. Then the Java compiler checks it and converts it into main.class, which contain bytecode. Finally, the JVM takes the bytecode, turns it into machine code, and shows the final output on your screen. If you ever wonder why we install JDK, it is because JDK includes both the compiler and the JVM. Without JDK, you can't write or run the Java program. So that's how Java code runs, from your code to compiler to JVM to output. In the next video, we will explore Java architecture to see exactly what JDK, JRE and JVM do in detail. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more Java lessons.